G'day folks, it's DIY Guy 123 here, bringing you another do-it-yourself video. I've got this 40-year-old snowblower and it's got a grease fitting that won't take grease. And I'm going to show you what it does now. Here's what a fitting sounds like that does take grease. And here's what this one sounds like that won't take grease. So the grease pressure builds up and now I'm even going to have trouble getting this there. That's even hard coming out. So I've got this tool called a lock and lube grease buster. I've never used it before. It's a cylinder that has a piston. There are O-rings around the base of the piston. You fill the cylinder with solvent and put the piston in and then put it on the grease fitting and then tap this end with a hammer to drive that plunger in and hopefully drive the solvent in there, and that will loosen up the grease and allow you to put new grease in. Now, I've seen some people complain about this thing saying they broke it on the first use. This is not something that you put on and use a 2-pound hammer to smash that in there. This isn't one of those by force type of things. It's one of those finesse type of things. Let's get this filled up with some kerosene. You know I'm going to spill. Stupid me, it runs out the bottom, I guess. Okay. All right. So I've got that on there and I'll tighten this down. Okay, I'm going to just gently tap. It is going in. And eventually I'd expect kerosene to drip out on the floor if it actually pumps all this in. Okay, well, it took all of that. All right, well, something that you couldn't see in the back is that the kerosene, it is actually drizzling out there. So we've pumped this full of kerosene. I could probably try to put new grease in there right now, but instead I'm gonna let that kerosene just sit there for a day or two to soften up whatever it's touching, and then I'll pump new grease in. Here we go. It was still stiff going, but I got some in, which is way better than any other time I've tried it. I'm gonna run that grease for maybe snowblow 1 or 2 driveways, and then I'll pump new grease in there because it is probably contaminated with kerosene. Totally worth it. I don't have to take this apart, and I'm sure I'll have years of service out of it. I'll put a link to that product on Amazon, and if you like my video, give me a like and subscribe. See ya, bye.